Hello and welcome to my video series on JavaScript. In this video, I will explain you how to use arrays in JavaScript and functions like map, reduce and filter. Map, reduce and filters are all array methods in JavaScript. Each one will iterate over an array and perform a transformation or computation. Each will return a new array based on the result of the function. So let's get started. The map method is used for creating a new array from an existing one, applying a function to each one of the element of the first array. For example, consider I have an array of numbers. So const numbers is equal to 1, 2, 3. All right, and we would like to have a new array which will comprise of the values which are doubled. So for example, we want to create a new array, so let's say doubled, and we are supposed to use a method which is map. So I'll say numbers dot map, and it will take a callback function. So I'll say each item equal to item into 2. Okay, so here what happens, every number is taken from an array of numbers, okay, and it is stored in the variable item, and it will iterate through all the items in an array, and it will return the doubled value of it. So let's run the code and log it. Okay, so let's say I want to log it, so doubled. Okay, so I'm using my Node.js to run it. Node space my name of the file, that is r_map.js, enter, and you see the value that I receive here is 2, 4 and 6. Let's take another example. Assume that we have an array of objects. So this is my array of objects, which is students, and I want to create a new array which only comprises of the name of the student. Okay, so I want to create a new array which will comprise only things that we need, that is the name of the students. So I'll say var student names equal to students dot map. Okay, and the map function will iterate over each item or each student. So I'll say student, okay, and return student dot name. So in this scenario, we will get a new array of student names which will comprise only of names. Let's log it. And you will notice that we will only get the name of the students in this array. So you may also have an array of objects and you would like to iterate over an array of objects and only get the values which is desired to you. So when I run this, see, I only get an array which comprises of the names of the student. Thank you for watching this video. I will create a separate video on arrays, filter method and reduce method. So please subscribe to our channel and stay tuned. Thank you.